Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Bigyan natin ng reaction na opinion itong post ng Peanut Gallery Media Network. Ito po ang statement ng defense team ni BP Sara tungkol sa dalawang impeachment case na naisampa na laban sa ating vice Pangulo. Ito po ang title. Prepared to confront. Sara Duterte defense stands firm as impeachment moves forward. The defense team of Vice President Sara Duterte said the filing of new impeachment complaints against her was anticipated and will be addressed through established constitutional procedures. In a statement dated February 2, araw na ito, lawyer Michael Poa said the move against the Vice President came as no surprise, adding that the defense remains confident the allegations will not stand legal scrutiny. The statement emphasized that impeachment is governed by constitutional standards and cannot rest on allegations shaped by public noise or media pressure. Ito ang statement ng defense team. As the Supreme Court has recently emphasized, impeachment is not merely a political process initiated by mere allegations or by perceived public acclaim shaped by the propagandistic effect of timed press releases or irresponsible viral posts on social media. It is a constitutional mechanism governed by standards, evidence, and due process. Ayan. The defense said it is prepared to directly address the accusations using the mechanisms provided by law. Ito, dagdag sa statement. We are prepared to confront these allegations squarely through the proper constitutional processes. Poe added that the legal team is confident that a fair and impartial review will demonstrate that the accusations are devoid of both factual and legal basis. The response positions Duterte's camp as ready to face the complaints within formal institutions, underscoring confidence in constitutional safeguards and judicial review rather than political escalation. The impeachment complaints remain subject to congressional proceedings where standards of evidence and due process will determine the next steps. Okay. So, alalahanin natin itong defense team ni BP Sara composed of mga abogado de Campanilla, Narbasa, ano pa ba yung mga Porton, Porton ba? Yes, Narbasa Inas, mga Salazar pa, may Porton, Salazar, Narbasa, wow! Mga bigatin sa law profession, itong defense team ni BP Sara. Ang katapat nila sa House, yung prosecution team ng House, I don't know kung mga abogado rin sila, but depende sa practice mo sa law. May ano dyan may mga veterano na ng, I think yung Porton na isa, yung pinakatatay. More than 40 years ang experience sa as a trial lawyer. Para bang i-compare mo sa mga bagong pasok na tinyente na although may nakapag-aral ng military strategy, tactics, ganon, kailang kulang sa experience sa battle kumpara sa retiring colonel or general. Parang ganon ang labanan. Ay, nakikita ko, magkakaroon talaga tayo ng bloodbath. Diyan pa lang sa, I hope i-live stream nila, no? Kaya diyan pa lang sa Committee on Justice, dapat mabigyan na ng pagkakataon si VP Sara dyan to defend herself through her lawyers, of course. I don't know kung mag-appear siya personally, kaya lang, diyan pa lang, ang mga abogado, marami ng mga, and sa nakikita kong botohan sa Committee on Justice, kasi nagbotohan na sa Committee on Justice, itong dalawang impeachment complaint laban kay Pangulong Marcos Jr., parang naging seryoso na ang mga kongresista. Ayaw na nilang mapahiya siguro. Hindi na, parang wala nang muro-muro, wala nang, wala nang sarswela. Wala nang drama-drama. Yung unang impeachment complaint, ang boto is 46-1-1. So, panalo yung sufficiency in form lang muna. Sufficiency in form. Itong pangalawa, na impeachment complaint, sinampa ng Makabayan Black, panalo pa rin, 35-6-1. So, may abstention palagi. Si, Congressman Abante, nag-walk out. Dahil sabi niya, klaro, walang forma yan. Insufficient in form. Bakit nyo bubutuhan na it's sufficient in form? Ganon. Nako, nag-walk out siya. Hindi niya matanggap yung desisyon. So, sana, ang ating kongresista, gawin na nila ang trabaho nila. Kasi, sa totoo lang tingin ko, nakakaya yung nangyari sa kanila yung last year, nakakaya. This is now the time to redeem themselves. Patunayan nila na patas itong laban na ito ngayon. Salamat mga kaibigan sa inyong pagsubaybay sa ating channel. Nakakatulong kayo ng malaki sa tribong Talandig ng Bukidnon dahil ang income natin sa channel na ito is pantulong sa tribo. Namimigay tayo ng libreng yero at pako para makapagpatayo sila ng mas maayos na tirahan. Panoorin niyo ang video na ito.